Have you ever wondered what hides in the darkest parts of the ocean?
Scientists found hundreds of brand new creatures deep in the Pacific, 4,000 meters down where no sunlight ever reaches.
Everything stays cold and black, pressure like many elephants standing on you.
Food arrives only as tiny bits called marine snow, drifting down from the surface world far above.
Scientists spent 5 full years on the project, staying at sea for 160 days.
Special robots went down to the bottom, carrying lights, cameras, and gentle arms.
Inside the mud lived 4,350 small animals, all bigger than 0.3 millimeters.
Back in the lab, the team sorted everything carefully, counting 788 different species.
Hundreds had never been seen by humans before, a huge surprise. Most of the animals were bristleworms, with bodies split into many segments and tiny bristles sticking out along their sides.
Some build long tubes to hide inside, poking their heads out to grab food.
These worms do important work on the seafloor, stirring the mud so oxygen reaches deeper. DNA tests help tell all the kinds apart, with many bristleworms looking completely new.
Next came the crustaceans, relatives of crabs and shrimp, most staying very tiny, with hard outer shells for protection.
They act like cleaners, eating leftover bits that sink down and keeping the seafloor tidy.
Then the team found mollusks, including tiny snails and mussels with thin, delicate shells. One of the coolest finds was a brand new coral named Deltocyathus zoometallicus, growing right on the metal-rich nodules. Normal corals need sunlight for their tiny partners, but this coral needs none, proving life finds clever ways to survive darkness. Sea pigs also wandered through the samples, looking pink and bumpy like little pigs with short tube feet letting them walk slowly.
They suck up mud like tiny vacuums, digest the good bits, then leave cleaner sediment behind.
All these animals live together in careful balance, with nodules acting like small islands in the mud.
The nodules themselves grow very slowly over millions of years as minerals build up bit by bit. A special machine plowed gentle tracks across the bottom, moving nodules and stirring the top layer of mud. In the tracks, animal numbers dropped 37%, with species diversity falling 32%. Clouds of mud called plumes spread out too, but didn't hurt numbers as much as direct tracks. Recovery will not happen quickly. Sediment builds up at only 1/1000th of a millimeter each year.
Thomas Dahlgren has studied this zone for more than 13 years, saying we need metals for clean cars and energy.
But we must understand the full cost first before making decisions about deep-sea mining.
A researcher pointed out that 30% of the zone stays protected, yet we know almost nothing about life there.
The study appeared in Nature Ecology and Evolution, giving solid facts to decision makers and the International Seabed Authority.
Countries now talk about starting mining soon, with some companies applying for permits while others call for a careful pause.
The deep sea feels like another planet. We have mapped the moon better than these depths.
Each tiny worm or coral has its own story evolved over long ages. Losing them would erase pages of Earth's history. Biodiversity works like insurance for the planet. Many different kinds keep the system strong. The deep sea connects to our surface world. Nutrients cycle up from the bottom, affecting fish, whales, and even our air and weather.
Some nodules may make dark oxygen through chemical reactions. New expeditions check this idea right now.
We must move slowly and learn more. Mining might bring metals we want, but could cut. Think about everything we've seen.
tiny worms, mysterious crustaceans, the proud solitaire coral. You can help protect this hidden world. Learn more, talk with friends and family, support research, and choose recycling over new mining.
The ocean has more secrets ready to share. Stay curious, keep watching,